Today I received a really cool product. It's a portable battery. Not just any portable battery. Whatever's in this box should be able to jumpstart a car. Let's find out. Should start anything up to 6 liters. It is a 1000 amp lithium. 1000 amps, not milliamps. Whoa. On the back side, you've got 20 jump starts per charge. Safely jumpstart a dead battery in seconds for cars, boats, motorcycles, ATVs, trucks, and more. Rechargeable port and USB included 12-volt charger. Wow. Virtually any USB device can be charged, including smartphones and tablets. This box here is the Precision HD Boost battery clamps with integrated eyelet connectors. They've got a good feel to them. They're not light and flimsy. Uh-oh. I've already spent 5 seconds trying to figure out which side this opens. That's too long. Kind of fancy. Weighing in at only 2.4 pounds, this actually weighs just slightly more than my 10,000 milliamp, which is a 10 amp battery charger that I use for my smartphone. That'll get me about 2.5 charges on my phone. So this is really cool, and it does not feel cheap, rickety. It feels kind of solid, almost weatherproof. I think that would be the only improvement they could do on that. Clearly labeled ins and outs. You've got your USB in, USB out, 12 volt that you connect to your jumper cables. You got a USB car charger, so you can actually charge this NoCo on the go. Man, I'm coming up with all these great slogans here. And you have a USB cable. Very hefty, I would say. They even got NoCo as a website. Really cool. Good for you. The most important thing, a clearly labeled pouch, so you don't lose anything. One thing it doesn't come with is a wall plug for that USB cable, and the only option to charge this is via USB. Oh yes, the NoCo and the clamps will fit in this pouch. Moving on, I'm going to read through the instructions. While this thing is charging up, I have a car that's been sitting about a month on an old battery, so we'll see how that goes, and we'll find out if NoCo is a no-go. Volts. The light mode button is easy enough. We got power. We have an exclamation point. That is the error for reverse polarity. That's good that we have that. A couple of cool features about the LED flashlight is that you should be able to turn it on, half light, 10% light, SOS. Charging time is 3 hours with a 2 amp charge. That's too good to be true? We'll see. It's been an hour and a half and we are between 50 to 75%. So that's not so bad overall. Right? Okay, I'm going to catch you up on what's been happening. It has been a few days and I have only used this to charge my phone once, and it was at 100% on the battery. My phone went up to 100% while I was streaming YouTube, so the screen was on for maybe an hour or two. Alright, and that brought us right to about 75, so I was going to say between 50 and 75-ish. So then I waited a few days, battery got low on my phone, it was at 26%, I plugged it in using the cable that they supplied, and it would only hover around 26-27% with the screen on. With the screen off, it does trickle charge a little bit, but not getting a fast charge through this cable, and this guy seems like it's reached just about the maximum. I'm going to plug my phone in, leave the screen off for an hour, and see where it's at. We're at 24% right now. Let's see how it is in an hour. Been an hour and my phone is at 31%, so you are not so great once you get below 75%. Good to know. Okay, so this thing is officially drained on battery. It's at 25% and it turns itself off. I did put a different USB cable just in case the other cable was the problem, and so far it looks like that's it. I got 20% on my phone, so from 30 to 50% in the last hour, and then this decided to turn off. We are going to charge this up, and our next test will be on a dead battery. Okay, we finally got a dead car. I'm going to use the HD cables that were supplied, but let's find out. Yeah. Damn side post. Cool. It doesn't even click more than once. Yeah, what is with these side posts? Alright.
So GM, what do you expect?
There we go. We're at 8.72 volts right there, about 8.6. Alright, well, let's try it. Go ahead. We're at 11.4. Oh, Wow, looks like NoCo is a go. All right. Late model Dodge pickup. It's got the 5.7. This is test number 2, still on the same charge. So this will blink for a second. And battery was pretty dead. Let's see. That's okay. All right, so it's got us up to 11.5 volts. Let's try starting it and see if we have any luck. It's clicking. Wow, look at that. Wow. This thing is cool.
That's pretty awesome.
All right, man, have a good night. All right, we had 2 jump starts last night. Both went really well. I'm gonna charge my phone now. This is showing that it's still at 100%, pretty good, considering it's claimed at 20 jump starts per charge. Okay, about 90 minutes later, we're back to 50% here. My phone is at 100%. We'll hopefully get a car today that needs a boost, and we can see how well this does when it's only at half charge.